caused U.S. Treasury yields to recede this week, leading to a drop in mortgage rates. It's Friday, March 11th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. While inflationary pressures remain, the impact of the war in Ukraine has created market uncertainty. Rates are expected to stay low in the short term, but will likely increase in the coming months. Experts project rates will renew their climb towards the 4% mark. So, how has the geopolitical situation impacted the market? Buyers are still out looking, but the activity has slowed in many areas depending on the price range and the location. For buyers who can take advantage of the lower mortgage rates, timing is key. Sellers will likely experience less frenzied activities as buyers decide what to do. The inventory on the market remains tight with 1,372 properties coming soon. This is up quite a bit from recent reports. 1,155 homes came to the market, reflecting fewer to market this past week. 700 went under contract on par and going under contract in 7 median days. 1,221 are temporarily off the market. This is consistent with recent updates. 1,392 went pending, which is a drop, but those went under contract in 6 median days. 1,171 properties settled, down from prior weeks. The highest sale over the past week was the Strawberry Hill Farm in Sparks for $2,750,000. In the Maryland rental market, combined areas have 1,370 properties for lease at an average of $23.37 per month. Stats continue to show that rentals are going under application in about 21 days. If you are contemplating making a move this year, our spring home buyer and spring home selling guides are out and free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, March 11th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.